Rowan, that's not for you. You can't get that. He got himself turned around, didn't he? Hey! Now where are you going? Rowan! Now where are you going? Where? Where? Come here. Oh. He's got his head down. Wait, are you getting tired? Is this too much work? Oh, tired baby. Hey. Hey, come over here. I have a toy. I have a toy for you. I have a toy for you. Rowan Nathaniel, come here. Come here. I have a toy. Come here. Come here. Come on. Oh. He wants to. He wants to crawl so bad. Not soon, huh? You just gotta figure out how to move. Rowan. Sinatra wants you to crawl too. Sinatra. Get the kitty, Rowan.